In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add a phone number on SHEIN. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless experience. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you're on a desktop browser and have your current account details handy. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the SHEIN website and log in to your account. This is the usual process you go through whenever you're accessing your information or making a purchase. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner where the profile icon, sometimes referred to as Me, is located. It's represented by a small person illustration, making it easy to spot. After hovering over the profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on My Account from this menu. This will take you to the main management area of your account where various settings and personal details are available for you to update or review. It's always a good idea to periodically check this section to ensure all your information is current. Now that you're in the account management area, the next step is to look for the section called Manage My Account. This area will list several options where you can control different aspects of your profile. From these options, select Phone Number. This is crucial because it specifically addresses the information we want to update today. Once you've clicked on the phone number section, you'll find an option to add a new phone number. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number you type in. Accuracy is key here to avoid any future login issues or verification problems. Once you've entered the new number, click on Send Code. Now take a moment and check your phone for a text message containing a one-time password or OTP. This verification step is a security measure to ensure that you are indeed the person making this change. Once you've received the code, promptly type it into the designated field on the SHEIN website. Finally, after entering the OTP, click Confirm. And just like that, your new phone number will be successfully updated in the system. This update is reflected immediately, securing your account with the most current contact information. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to update or add a phone number on SHEIN. Keeping your contact information up to date ensures you receive all notifications and enhances the security of your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on managing your online accounts.